Good morning, everyone. Another day on our bamboo house building. It's raining, sprinkling. They are going to pour concrete on the matting today. So I have two guys, labor. Well, there are three of them. One panday, one carpenter. The other carpenter is not here today. Maybe it's pouring down rain at their place. Oh man, the water here is very low. I'm gonna have Jordan put cover on the hole. Yeah, so we have water here. Oh, the water? Oh, pretty good water. And then there's the sand. This was the leftover for that building. And then they just put it in a sack and haul it here. This sand is from Leyte. And then, oops, hold on. I'm gonna step. Yes, ma'am. My sister is calling me. Not yet. Muadto sa akos barangay. Magkuha sa kog kuan permit. So I'm going to the barangay today, or right now. I'm on my way there because I'm going to get a cutting permit. Oh, it's okay. 20. So they're gonna pour concrete on the matting. I need more wood, so I'm going to the barangay today, to the borough, to get a permit to cutting permit. In the Philippines, you are not allowed to cut any trees if you don't get the permit, even if it's in your property. Even if you planted it, you have to get permit. If you don't get permit, then you end up in jail. So we don't have that freedom like in the US that you can just cut trees as long as it's in your property, you know. So we don't have that freedom here in the Philippines. There's the gravel that Uncle Boy delivered the other day. We need to take this out here because it's covering the drainage there. So that's the building there. We'll update you later. I am going to the barangay secretary now. I don't know if Kuya Lori will work on this one rice paddy here, but he already prepared one, two, three, four rice paddies. I hope he will include this big paddy here because we really need that tilled. So that's our place there. That way is going to Hagna, the other side of Bohol. And then this way is going to Sierra-Bulunes, to our town. It's like the interior of Bohol. So we are on the tippy top of the island of Bohol. There is Leia's display there. Kuya, magpa-drive ko ha.
Oh.
Unig kumaan unya moadto sa ako magkuha sa kog permit.
Oh, sakto sa mo mariglo to.
Oh. Daghan na nagbuwak si Lin. There's a lot of flowers here. There's poinsettia. There's a lot. They are for sale. There's the Buddha bamboo.
Papunta man mo ma. Oh. Unsa may kuha na to, Loy? Papunta ba kahoy dito?
Di na. Sa Verland? Di na lang.